Chapter 1. What is the RQ-7B Shadow? RQ equals reconnaissance, 7B equals upgraded tactical version designed by AI Corporation, now part of Textron unmanned aerial vehicle UAV launched from a trailer-mounted catapult primary role. Surveillance, target acquisition, battle damage assessment operates with no onboard pilot ground control. Station use Chapter 2 design and specifications wingspan, 20 feet 6, 1 meters length 11, 2 feet 3, 4 meters engine, Wankel rotary engine endurance, 6 to 9 hours in flight range, 125 km extended to 200 km in newer models max altitude, 15.0 feet cruise speed, 110 knots about 204 km/h. Launch pneumatic catapult recovery, arresting gear/hook and net landing Chapter 3 eyes in the sky sensor, suite EOS/IR cameras with laser rangefinder FLIR forward, looking infrared sensors night vision and infrared surveillance real-time video transmission to ground control station, GCS shadow. Can laser designate targets for artillery, missiles, and airstrikes. Live feed for commanders to assess battlefield movements. Chapter 4. Battlefield role and mission types. Tactical recon. Mapping enemy positions. Force protection. Patrolling perimeters of military bases. Target acquisition. Identifying and tracking moving threats. Battle damage assessment after airstrikes. Intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance. ISR missions in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Syria used in joint missions with Apache helicopters and HIMARS. Chapter 5 upgrades RQ-7B V2 and V3 RQ-7B V2. Extended range communication systems. RQ-7B V3. NATO data link, encrypted communication, better jamming resistance. Integration with other NATO systems. Can operate with manned and manned teaming immunity. Chapter 6 Shadow in combat. Real examples played vital role in Iraq and Afghanistan, helped prevent ambushes on convoys, provided overwatch in dense urban combat, tracked insurgents planting IED, operated from forward operating bases. FOBs. Chapter 7 Future of tactical drones being phased out in some areas by newer systems like Aerosonde HQ, still heavily deployed due to reliability and modularity. Future enhancements may include AI-based target recognition. Legacy of the RQ-7B. A quiet warrior of 21st century battlefield. Closing. The RQ-7B Shadow doesn't make headlines, but without it, modern warfare would be blind. It's silent, it's smart, and it sees what no one else can. This is not just a drone, it's a soldier's lifeline from the skies above. Salute to the silent guardian, the RQ-7B Shadow.